So let us see the example. Number 1 is 28 a square number. It's a simple concept here. But the very important point which you need to remember every time is that the square number do not have these particular numbers ending the place in the unit place. That is 2, 3, 7 and 8. These numbers never comes in the case of the square number. As you can see the square table which we have studied in the previous videos, you can see from there from 11 to 20. If you see there, their unit digits never comes with the 2, 3, 7 or 8. So in the case of this 28 also, you can write this reason that the square numbers always ends with the digits 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or 0. Therefore 28 cannot be a square number. Another method also you can say that we know that 25 is a square number, which is a square of which number? 5. And similarly 36 is also a square number, which is a square of which number? 6. So between 25 and 36 there is no such square number, so the 28 comes between it, so therefore 28 is not a square number. Now let us come to the example number 2. What is the square of the number 13? Here we can find the square of the 13 by using the property of the square, as we have studied just now. That means sum of first 13 odd numbers need to be written starting from 1. And you have to count it up till 13 numbers, and then you add it, then definitely you will get it, the result, which is equals to 169. And since they are saying without actual multiplication, then that means you have to use the concept of addition. And addition means what? That is using the property of the squares. Now that we come to the next method, number 2. Here they are using the concept of a plus b whole square, which we have studied in the 7th standard, which says that a square plus b square, this is the number a and this is my number b. On squaring it, that means the square of the first number, that is 10 square, then 3 square, then 2 into 10 into 3. On solving it, you get the result again equals to 169. What here they have done it here, that is that you can see here, what I explained it here, they have used it here, this concept. What here they have done it, they have expanded the bracket. They have written it 2 times, because square of any number can be written as 2 times. Then multiplying the first bracket, then the number 10 to the second bracket, and the number 3 to again to the second bracket. On solving, you are getting the result 169. Now the problem is that with the first and second method is that the first method is only valid up till the small numbers. 13, 14, 15, 16, you can manage it. But when it comes a bigger number, that means 25 square, do it by without multiplication. That means 25 odd numbers you need to write it, and then you have to add it, and that will give you the result. That's a very long procedure. So therefore, the method 2 is good for the big numbers, where it is very helpful.